In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Word document into a PDF file seamlessly. This is a simple yet vital skill that can be a real game changer when sharing documents professionally. Whether you're handling a report, a resume, or any other form of document, translating your Word file into a PDF ensures that it's easily shareable and maintains its formatting no matter where it's viewed. First, start by opening your document in Word. This could be a document you've been working on, or any file you want to convert to PDF. Once your document is open and you're ready to begin the conversion process, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the File tab. Click on this tab to proceed. After clicking the File tab, you'll be presented with a variety of options related to file management. Among these options, look for the one labeled Save As, or you might see Export, depending on your version of Word. Both options serve the same purpose in this context, so either will work perfectly. Next, you need to decide where you want to save your soon-to-be created PDF. Select the folder that makes the most sense for your needs, perhaps the Documents folder, a specific project folder, or a location you've designated for PDFs. This step is all about organization and ensuring easy access later on. Now let's address the Save As type section. Here, there's a drop-down menu that you'll need to pay attention to. Click on it, and from the list of file types, select PDF. You'll notice it's labeled PDF, which simply indicates the file format. This selection is what will transform your document from a Word file into a PDF. At this point, if you want more control over what elements of your document get converted, you might want to explore the Options button. Clicking Options allows you to specify which pages of the document should be included in the PDF. You can also decide whether to include any markup, comments, or other settings that might be relevant depending on the document's purpose. This is entirely optional, but it provides a layer of customization that might be useful in certain situations. Finally, give your file a suitable name. This is how you'll identify it in the future, so make sure it reflects the content or purpose of the document. Once that's done, click the Save button. Your Word document is now being churned through the process and will emerge as a PDF in the folder you specified earlier. And there you have it. You've successfully created a PDF copy of your Word document. This converted file is now ready to be shared, downloaded, or printed, ensuring that it appears consistently on any device or operating system.